Check out this 2007 Dodge Ram 1500. This Ram 1500 has just under 24,500 miles. This vehicle has a limited warranty. This vehicle gets an estimated 14 miles per gallon in the city, and an estimated 18 on the highway. This Ram 1500 boasts a 5.7-liter engine, and has a 5-speed automatic transmission. Additional options for this vehicle include the 26G SLT Customer Preferred Order Selection Package, Quad Cab Thunder Road Value Group, Trailer Tow Group, front and rear floor mats, NA with CKJ vinyl floor covering, 3.92 axle ratio, anti-spin rear axle, folding power trailer tow mirrors, premium cloth 40/20/40 split bench seat, and the federal emissions not available in CA, MA, ME, NI or VT. Call 888-905-2211 or email our friendly sales staff today to schedule a test drive.